The available digital key feature on your Genesis allows you to use your compatible mobile device as your vehicle key, as well as share virtual keys with other people with compatible mobile devices. To set up the digital key, see the video entitled Creating Your Digital Key. Once your smartphone has the digital key paired and saved, you can use your smartphone to lock, unlock, and start your vehicle. To unlock or lock the doors, simply hold the back side of your phone against the driver or front passenger's door handle for 2 seconds. To start the vehicle using the digital key on your smartphone, place the phone face up on the wireless charging pad, then start the vehicle. After startup, the phone can be removed from the charging pad. Once the digital key on your phone has been paired to your car, you can also use the app to remotely start or lock the vehicle. One more extremely useful feature of the Digital Key app is the ability to share digital keys with other Android phone users. This will give them the ability to access or even drive your vehicle using only their Android device for a period of time you set. To share a digital key, open the Digital Key app on your phone. Press Manage Digital Key. Press the plus button. This brings you to the Share Digital Key page. Once here, type in the first name, last name, email, and smartphone number of the person you wish to share the digital key with. Note that this person must have a compatible Android device, a Genesis Connected Services account, and the Digital Key app installed on their Android device. Then, select the duration you wish the digital key to remain active for. You can select the start date and time as well as the end date and time. You can also give them access for up to 1 year by selecting that option. Then, you can select Access Permissions. Select Tap NFC Actions to allow them to use the NFC features of the digital key, including the ability to start the vehicle and drive it. Tap Remote Bluetooth Actions to allow them to only perform functions such as open the doors or trunk using the Digital Key app. This is great if you want to give someone access to your vehicle without giving them the ability to drive it. If equipped, select Remote Start Parking Assist to add this functionality, and you can select all features to give them full access to all Digital Key app functions. Then hit Share to send the person the digital key. And if you ever want to revoke their digital key access before it expires, it's a simple process. Select Manage Digital Key, then select the key you wish to manage and delete it. For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel and mygenesis.com.